Welcome to this Amax Auto Insurance review. Is Amax Auto Insurance legit? Have you used Amax Auto Insurance before? Leave your review in the comments section below. So here's the deal. If you live in Texas and you've been hunting for cheap car insurance, chances are you've come across Amax Auto Insurance. They've got over 200 offices across the state, and they market themselves as the go-to for affordable coverage. And honestly, that part checks out. A lot of folks say Amax really does deliver on low prices, especially if you're just looking for basic liability or SR22 coverage. They're a broker, not a direct insurer, which means they shop around with 20+ carriers to find you a deal. That flexibility is a win for people with tricky driving records or tight budgets. Customer service gets a decent amount of praise too. Some users say reps are friendly, responsive, and willing to walk you through the process. There's even a rewards program for loyal customers, and their BBB rating, a plus. That's not nothing. But, and yeah, there's a but, reviews are mixed when it comes to claims. Some people say the process is smooth, others, not so much. Complaints range from slow response times to confusion over who's actually handling the claim, since Amax connects you to third-party insurers. That middleman setup can be a headache if you're not clear on who's responsible for what. Also, don't expect nationwide coverage. Amax is strictly Texas-based for now, so if you move out of state, you'll need a new provider. And while they do offer discounts, it's not always obvious what's available or how to qualify. You'll need to ask directly. So is Amax legit? Yeah, absolutely. They're not some fly-by-night operation. They've been around since 2002 and have built a solid footprint in Texas. If you're looking for budget-friendly auto insurance and don't mind working through a broker, they're worth checking out. Just go in knowing that claims might take a little patience, and make sure you understand who your actual insurer is. Try Amax yourself. Drop your experience below. Let's help each other out.